Wee-haw! What up, slow boy? Take my glasses off so you guys can't see what I see. You guys might see the reflection. I don't know. Let me get my headphones on. You know, let's see what we got here. Man, we ripped right back up, huh? Let me get on Bulenox. Passed a Bulenox earlier. I don't even know what 371 is. Oh, that was kind of okay. Here we go. Pulling back there off that 5-minute range. I got to make sure I'm on the right account here. Hold on. All right, 121. Been running a practice account the last couple of days. Locked your accounts after having a great week. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. That's how it works. Showbit. How's it going? How's it going? All right, guys, let's do a giveaway while we're here today. So nice to have accounts to give away for you guys. So nice. It's so nice. Obviously, I didn't mean to click the pick a winner thing. So list of 0, you did not win. Was up 750 now, down 1K, Eric. Oh, dang. What up, Tech T? Crystal in the house. Well, let's see what we get going here. And then I'm pretty sure Mancini said we got to clear that 60. What did he say? The 60? Bears control until that recovers. 6405, 6510, 6410. 6353, 49. Okay. Trader Oracle in the house. What up? Look for a spot here to maybe take a long. I mean, we kind of broke out of this range that we were in to the upside there. Nice little breakout. I did not mean to do that. Yeah, I kind of had a long trigger. I mean, really right there in like that 270, 274 area. So we're going to get a little afternoon stream here. I did take a My Funded Futures trade on my funded account there for $355 while I was away. Too clean of a setup for me not to take it. And also, let me disconnect this right quick and come back so we can have our P&Ls. One of these streams, there's always a want Facebook against the grand Snapchat or something. Yeah, I don't do any of that stuff, unless I have to. Some giveaways, they do require you to do that kind of stuff. Mine, you just enter exclamation point cash and you're in. And that's all you got to do. Come on, Bulenox, reconnect here. What are we doing? Reconnect, bro. Watch it over here while Bulenox is reconnecting. Slinging that ding-a-ling around. What up, John Carter? I wasn't slinging no ding-a-ling around, John Carter. None. Zilch. 0, sir. 0. But anyways, check out this Bulenox eval. Bam! $3,001. Let's go. Bam! I love music. How's it going? That would have been a command. He'd get something for that, right? Caught 3 points, but no one can beat it. I knew that was coming. I knew that was coming, John. That's my girlfriend right there in the chat. I knew that was coming. I knew you were unlocking something over there that you had no clue. You had no clue. I knew it. She was over there like, should I type this? Should I not? I guarantee it. I guarantee it. I already know it. I already know it. Bashar, the plan is to kind of look for a long. I'm really waiting to see ES recover the 20. If it recovers the 20, we go. So I want to see this push here. If we get through here, I don't know. You could kind of long here. I'm just waiting for the ES to clear the 20. Waiting for the ES to clear the 20 potentially. What up, Israel? What up? Welcome in. Enter the giveaway, Israel. Exclamation point cash. I'll let you guys choose between a MyFunded Future 50K scale account or any size eval from Apex. Because 6420 is the next key level in the ES. We kind of popped above it, but we didn't really build structure in that area. So if we pop back above it, then I think we get a little squeeze back through the high. But it's right there at the 20 right now. So, well, I Love Music is pretty simple. If the ES is approaching a level of resistance, do I really want to be longing, right? So that's all I'm saying is I mark out these levels. We popped above it, pickaboo, but we didn't hold it. We didn't build structure above it. So structure above it would be, we would have popped above and kind of held. But since we didn't do that, you know, I'm not so sure here. Starting to look above there now, so we'll probably stab long anyway. Let's see if it can close above here. Also, I'd like to see a 5-minute OB here on the 5-minute chart. And see, your stops are really a little larger than they look. Like, this doesn't look like much, but that's 27 points. That is 27 points. What up, Tech T? All right, let me see here. All right, I'm going to go ahead and stab here. ES pushing above. ES through the high will have me put my stop in at break even. And I'll probably trail. I'll probably just trail here as opposed to having a thing here. 5-minute inside bar, potentially. I'd almost rather see that be an OB though. Yeah, if ES breaks the high here, I'm going to have to put the stop in. Let's kind of see here. That is, in fact, an inside bar on the 5-minute. So could go ahead and put the stop in at 314. It's not broke to the upside yet, though. There we go. Now it's triggered. And we're going to go 358. Link these together. Let's see if we get a burst. So taking the long here. Got a 1 minute inversion potentially here too. Where's my crosshair? There it is. That's actually not a great look. You guys know how I feel about that. On all 5 minute inside bars, do you do 20-20? I do whatever the stop needs to be typically. And then I will do 20-point take profit. But trust me, they hit Poco as far as win percentage, the size of the bar. If you just go a 1-for-1 on the size of the bar, it hits just as often. So here you really would be looking for a 28-point take profit. So like a 28-point take profit really would be what, like 70? 30, 40, 70, not even 70. Be like 66. I mean, I could just do that. A lot of times they do hit. Yeah, something like that. But I really just like the first inside bar of the day. This one just happened to line up with something I was looking at. Here's the thing. I should have went to break even here. Two reasons. Number one, we were up 10 points. Number two, ES made a new high, Nasdaq did not. So this could be your first, this could be like the first kind of chink in the armor here. You know, I like to go break even there and then maybe just park my order back at 42 for the push back up. But we'll see. Actually, the entry was just 42, so I didn't even go 10 points there for that. But you have to just kind of trust it, right? Just kind of trust it. I might add into it a little bit. We'll see. We'll see how price reacts. Again, if ES doesn't hold 20 here, that's going to be of concern. Another update today from Quantower. Dang. So failed to put in an order block there. Yeah, we'll just see what happens. That's all we can do. Poco, enter the giveaway! Exclamation point cash in the chat. Enter the giveaway. Kind of want to see this level here hold, get a bounce out of this area. Every day, Tech T, every day. Yeah, no worries. Maybe you can win. All right, looking good here. I think I'm going to add one more into it for a little scalp. So I'm going to add one more here for a scalp. Close back above that 9. Might add one more here if we can push back above the open of this 5 minute. No, it's not Take Profit Trader me. We got to get more sales on Take Profit Trader to be able to give one of those away. It is either an Apex any size eval or a My Funded Future Scale 50K. What up, Vierdades? Good afternoon. I got stopped out there on the ad. Lovely. Again, this is kind of your first idea. Like when you got this SMT here at the top, it's your first idea that we may just go down. We may just go down. We got, is that that's the 15-minute range there, isn't it? Yeah. 15-minute range there. What up, me? How you doing? Got an SMT at the top. Needs to get bullish here. You're still fat, but I'm trying. Yeah, me too. Same. Same. Got a little 1 minute trend line here. A little kind of 1 minute trendy that's holding. How many times can you put it in? Just once. It doesn't count if you put it more than that, so. Doesn't count. Kind of building out a flag here on the 5-minute chart too. 1 minute, 5 minute. A little bit more trendline liquidity to the downside than there is the up. So we might be in trouble on this trade. But no fear, full port is near. No fear, full port is near. You know? That's kind of a catchy saying. No fear, full port is near. Oh. What up, Pine Tree? We break this trend line here, then I expect us to test the 50 EMA. I'm gonna short. I'm gonna full port short if we break this trend line. If I get stopped out. At 9:30 this morning, you had 3 accounts over $1,000 to the good, and now one of them's $100 from blowing up, and the other 2 are $300 from blowing up. Oh goodness me, that sucks. You got to walk away, brother. I mean, if you're up 1,000, walk away. You got to walk away, brother. Take your money and run. He wants to take his money and run. You don't let him do that. That's what the Nasdaq said. You don't let him do that, because then it's real. You had in your head to get to 1,500. Yeah, you can't do it. Can't do it, me. I'm telling you, it's the hardest thing to do is to walk away. It really is. But typically it's when you're red. When you're green, it's a little easier for most people. Get the F up there. That's right, Nate. It already took me out for a loss on the ad that I had. All right, I'm adding again. You know, just asking for punishment here. This time I added 2 contracts. I'm adding into it with an SMT at the top. Bearish SMT that I'm aware of. So, blew 21K in profit today. I was 2 days away from payout. Oh my goodness. That sucks, Solo. Yeah, this is a bit of a degen session, no doubt. 2 walking on the wild side. Yeah, a little bit. We've never been in profit on this account, so it could go either way. Really could go either way. We do have the murderbot here in, what, 6 minutes? So, I'm very good at picking the tops and bottoms. Eric's long here. Let's go. Just rip it. I kind of need to move my stop, to be honest, but just 3 more points. All right. We'll move them. Why not? Joom here. 2 trades a day, win or lose. You lock the account for the day. 150 in profit, you highly consider. Yeah, it makes sense. Look for a short around 340. I'm there for it. It'd take out my first target at least. Come on, rip it through there. Rip it through there. $60 people watching and just your like. Come on, guys. Get that like button rolling. Who else is giving you degeneracy like this every single day? I mean, I know a few people, but I'm just saying. I think it's time to go break even. ES is sweeping the high. Let's go break even. Yeah, I did get it. Just got it. We got 3 minutes till the murderbot. 4 minutes. 4 minutes till the murderbot. Come on, rip it up. Rip it up. If we break this little 1 minute, we kind of got a little wedge going here, guys. Got a little wedge going here. Zero-day Jays does on the daily? Yeah, he does. Murderbot, I Love Music. It's market on close. It happens every day at 3:50 p.m. Eastern. That's when most big orders, big institutions close their orders, close their books for the day. So you have an influx of volume, one direction or the other. Caca! Caca! That's a tongue, by the way. That's a tongue. I think we break to the upside, but I don't know. We do have liquidity on both sides here. All right, stopped out. Oh, smash the like button. Let's go. So wait, I can pay $250 to skip a eval and go straight to funded? Yeah, of course, slow boy. Direction at 50 guy. Yeah, we never know, right? Max over there getting on the bed. Do I wait? Do I wait to enter and see what the murderbot does? Let's do that. Yeah, should probably wait. Sometimes I'm good at picking. Sometimes, it's 50-50, right? It's either going to go up or it's going to go down. I don't know. I don't know any more than you know. All I know here is there's liquidity resting on both sides. And once it breaks one way, it's going to run it the high or the low. So you missed the best fast track trading, the one that started the straight to funded. Yeah, it did. You could, Nate. You could bracket above and below, right? Could, Nate. I might do that on the 359 candle if it doesn't break beforehand. Murderbot's 3:50 p.m. Eastern music. I don't know. I could long here. I think it runs the 352 here if I do. I don't mind taking it with one. Yeah, we got like 1 minute. It could sweep the 305 and then rip up, but my lean is the sweep of 352 first. I think we wick through the 352. You're not going to give an account go next week because I can't trade Fridays or Mondays. Oh, yeah, nothing wrong with that. I mean, you got liquidity on both sides here. You got 1, 2, 3 touches here, 3 touches here. So what I'm going to do is, well, come on. There's no way it doesn't run through that now. It should just wick right through there. Give me my 5 points. Yeah, there you go. Like, it's just too easy to know that's going to go there at least, right? Once it breaks this trend line, it's definitely going to move on up. Just too easy to know there. We're only up $39. Now we could, man, I could soup this level. What would be the stop? 15 points. I'm gonna try a little soup play here, guys. I don't normally do this, but I'm going to assume that by 355 we run down to 305, and I'm just gonna have my stop at the high. Hey, let's go, Mendoske. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. What up?
My tummy hurts.
Oh, what do you want me to do?
Fix it.
I can't help you.
Yes, you can.
My daughter's tummy hurts. What am I supposed to do?
Fix it.
She's telling me to fix it. What am I supposed to do about that?
I don't know. You're my dad.
Huh?
You're supposed to fix
I'll get you some medicine or something in a minute. You probably just need to drop a big deuce.
I died. Well, I did. No more will come out.
We ran the top, so now I'm expecting us to run the bottom. We'll see. I could be completely wrong. Break of the trend line, we're going to move it down.
Yeah.
Eat some prunes, and then that'll fire off a third.
You think we got prunes?
We don't have prunes.
That's what I'm saying.
Come on.
Who eats prunes?
He was not pleased. Uh-oh.
Look at
I know.
Max.
Come on, rip it lower here. If we break this trend, I'm going to drop the break even. I'm fully expecting us to rip right down into 305. I'm fully expecting a 305 touch. The offerings were subpar. Try to buy a 50K Billinox with your code and got this message. The IP is blocked. That is weird, Bashar. They think you're in a blocked country or something? That is very weird. Try clearing your cache. Clear all your history and everything, and then try again. That should maybe give you a new IP. Or you can reach out to customer service. They will get back to you today if you submit a ticket. This thing should break. What up, Mo? This thing should break right here. Come on. It should break and run into the 305s. No, I don't have any problems there. Depends on who you're trading with, but the only place that really doesn't like it is going to be Apex. You can't bracket above and below. And then maybe My Funded Futures, the time of the trade, you know, if it less than 15 seconds or whatever it is. But other than that, yeah, I don't know why, Bashar. That's weird. Come on. I wonder if we get a move at 354. A lot of times the 355 algo will front run a bit. It will front run a little bit. So let's see. Very weak 350. Should break except for one small problem. It only goes up. Yeah. I mean, right now it's holding this trend. So it could go up. It's holding this trend right now. It is holding the trend. All right, I got stopped out. I will get back in, though. Don't doubt it. Started 3 fresh XFAs and then blew 3. Oh, my God. That sucks. You could use Apex to just only choose one side. And My Funded Futures is fine as long as your average trade time is longer than that. Your average trade time. I am so tempted to go more than one Connie, but I know better. I know better. I'm shorting here. Dang it, it still didn't break that trend. I think all the liquidity is down. So I'm going to risk it here for the biscuit. Oh my God, I might blow. We might smoke the account. There's the 55. All right, we're dead. Let's just kill it. Give ourselves a chance to get back. You're now $50 from blowing up? Oh, dang me. Oh, man. I can't believe it. It never broke the trend. So, that's my fault. Just assuming it would and jumping in. I don't know how much drawdown we got left. Not much. Maybe like $500. Got to go to the store. Let's go. It might wait until the end of the day to run through this if it loses this trend line. It's kind of what I'm going to wait on. I'm going to try to wait on that. If I wait for the break, that's really what I should be waiting on anyway. Let's wait for the break here. We know once this breaks, this is going to run. I just got to wait for the break. We do have an SMT at the top here as well. Sim market makers are watching. Exclamation point cash if you want to enter the giveaway, guys. Exclamation point cash. So either whenever this breaks this trend line, I'm going to go in and I'm going to scale into full port. We may blow the account at the end of the day. We might. But this is an eval. We already passed one, so pass one, blow one seems reasonable. Got to get through this level, though. Gets through this level, we go. Down we go. That's right, Solo. Don't tell anybody. Don't tell anybody. All right, here we go. Coming into the final 2 minutes. All right, I'm going to take you here with one. And I'm going to add into it. Yeah, there's no stop on these plays, guys. There's no stop. There's no stop. The Aggles, they're not confused. They're trying to track me in. They're trying to trap me. They're doing a good job. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There's a spike. We're holding that line right there. We're holding that line. If we break it, which I should be waiting for the break and the close below, but I'm not. But if we break it, it's elevator down into the 05s. If and when we break it. Need a close below here. Come on. A close below, we just elevator into the end of the day. We hold this, we push up, but we close below, it's elevators. Watch this level here too. 311. Here's the close below. As soon as this candle turns red, I'm going to add another. We are full port. Choo-choo! Choo-choo! "30 seconds to go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go." Oh, my God. R.I.P. It's going to run it now. I know it's going to run it. That's the annoying thing. Like, I know this is going to run that. I might switch over to the funded account right quick. The problem is I can't because, what are we down? 30, 40? We're down. I'm not going to be able to enter it because the Bulenox is going to freeze at the close. Oh, shit. I hit the button, but it didn't let me in. Damn you, Bulenox. If this thing puts me in way down here and I lose, I'm going to be mad. Come on. Oh, you got to be kidding me. I don't know if it's going to put me in or not. I hate when Bulenox does. God dang it. Look at it. It just put me in just now. All right. Let's get the stop in here. Stops in at least. Come on. Rip it down there. I should move it on down. I mean, this is going to go. Come on. Don't stop me out. Rip it down. Oh, you dirtiness. All right. R.I.P. R.I.P. Do I enter again? I mean, I know this thing is going to run this level. I just know it is. All right, let's just do it again. Come on. I just know it's going to run it. Get through there. Get some of my losses back here if it stops me out. Let's go. Rip it. Rip it. Rip it. Did we get our loss back there on our funded account? Oh, we're still down $200. I forgot we were down. What were we down? Did I only get 10 points there? 6. That's only 6 points? God, I thought that was so much more than 6 points. I may be walking bow-legged afterwards. No, it 100% is going to take these levels out, guys. The market doesn't leave this. It doesn't leave this. When it has trendline liquidity, it runs it all typically. So like I just wasn't patient enough there, but we got $125 back, 130. But just holding up at the pivot, we lose this pivot here, it's going to just blast right through these levels. I'm just not going to be here for it. That's okay. The entry really, if I was really being truly aggressive, was at the top here when ES failed to make a new high. That really was the entry. You guys see my daughter walking by me.
What?
They saw you walking by me.
I didn't walk by. Y'all have schizophrenia.
Yeah, whatever.
Or whatever.
All right, exclamation point cash in the chat here. Let's do the giveaway. We got how many people in the giveaway? Let's see, 42 people in there. I'm going to give you guys 2 minutes. 2 more minutes to get in there.
1, 2, 3.
You trying to count? You trying to count? They don't want to hear you count.
5. Yes, they do. Guys, tell him you want to hear me count.
They don't want to hear you count, bro.
Say yes.
I'm live, Husk. I'm live. I got you pulled up too, Husk. Well, I had you pulled up.
What are you doing? A giveaway?
I'm doing a giveaway
Why
for.
are they all saying iCash or?
That's the keyword to enter the giveaway.
How do you know they're in the giveaway?
Huh?
How do you know?
How do I know?
Is that not what I just said?
It's on the Streamlabs does it. Streamlabs does it.
How much money are you giving away?
Huh?
How much money are you giving away?
It's not money, it's an account. Giving away a free account.
Wait, I thought you were giving away money.
No. So we smoked a Bulenox account. Let's give our full transparency going on here. Down 220 on the Bulenox funded. We passed this one. You guys smoked this one. This wasn't me. That was you guys. You guys smoked that one. That account is blown. This account is up 420. Let's see. My funded futures is up 355. And yeah, that's it over here. And then let me show you guys the other ones. %, sale just ended at 4, Tech T. Are you going to be back at 6? Let's go. So here we go, guys. This is the other P&Ls. We smoked 1 eval. So 2 eval smoked today, 1 eval passed. And then small red on the 1 funded, and then green on everything else. Not a bad day. How much did Max make today? Well, I got to take him shopping, so we got to see how much he wants to spend. Blew both Apex giveaway accounts. Uh-oh, need new ones. Get in there, Wolf Scout. Get in there. All right, guys, let's do the giveaway here. If you're not in, sorry about your luck. Apex or Bulenox? Eric, I like Apex better than Bulenox because you can have 20 accounts, but Bulenox does have better sales. But I do like Apex better. Here we go, guys. Here we go, guys. Entries are now closed. And the winner is... I'm thinking about a name here. I'm thinking of a name. Sure Resh. It wasn't that name, but Sir Resh. You are the winner. Free accounts are bad sometimes, no control. That's true. No risk, no reward, right? I don't think Sir is here. Sir, I need you to say whether you want a 50K scale account from My Funded Futures or whether you would like a any size account from Apex. Which would you prefer? Which would you prefer, Suresh? You also need to send me an email to methodicalman@gmail.com. It's right there. I'm going to pin it at the top of the chat. In that email, you need to have a screenshot showing me you logged into your account, your YouTube account. And that's it. All right, guys. Surprise twist. Surprise twist. Methodical's giving away another account. Methodical's giving away another account. He's going to give away the My Funded Futures account now to another lucky winner. So for the people that left, as soon as I draw Sir's name, you just miss out. And the winner of the My Funded Futures account is Variedades, Mig. Variedades, are you here? Variedades, ¿dónde está? I don't know. Sounds Spanish. Are you here? Variedades. Let me see if Variedades was one of the people that left. No, you were already entered, Mad Moxie. You were already entered. I used the same entries. Esvin, aquí estoy. Oh, see, I knew Verdades was a Hispanic name or something like that. Oh, you didn't enter for Apex, Mad Moxie. Oh, dang, I didn't know. All right, Verdades, I need you to send me an email to methodicalman@gmail.com. Very important, Verdades. You got to send me a screenshot if you logged into your YouTube account. If you don't know how to screenshot, take a picture of it from your phone and include it in the email. And send me your email that you use for your login for My Funded Futures. If you've never used My Funded Futures, that's okay. They will send you an email with your credit. So let's get Sir verified since Sir has already sent the message. Let's get Sir verified. Sir, tell me what in your email address, what is the last letter or number in your email address? Mis avios de pesca en la cocina. No sé, Pan 3. Solamente habla inglés en todo. Is it possible price goes all the way back down again? Maybe, Fang. Fang, I don't like to guess. But, you know. Sir says 254. All right, we got you verified, sir. I'm going to go ahead and get this information sent over to you right now. Let me get this sent over to you. Let me find my codes. Let's see. There's Max barking. Okay. GFE. Okay. Max is barking at something. Who knows what? Okay. There is your code, sir. June dialect. You're welcome, Dave. That's terrible Spanglish? It is. It is. Spanish sounds like you're German? Perfect. Guten Tag. Wie geht es Ihnen? That's a little bit of German that I know. I don't know. Zero Day J whining and crying again. Uh-oh. Arthur. Arthur's dog says, hey, Max. He says, shut up. The futures desk account with my code, but cannot find where to enter it. Do you know? It's Alexi. It's just MMM. And when oh my gosh, this dog. Let me show you. Maxie, come on, bro. Why is it asking me this? Hey. I might hit you with a spray if you don't stop. That's right, bud. That's right, bud. All right, so let me see. If you sign up, new plan, right here. So when you go to sign up, you enter the code. Boom, MMM, right there on the on whatever you're signing up with. So right here, you would enter the code. Do you see that, Alexi? End of day is 50% off as well. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, Alexi, it is kind of in a weird spot. Verdades, did you send me an email? Dylan, what have you sent me? What is a Chumba Casino? But yeah, the starter account's only $69 with code MMM, and then the static account. What does the static account come out to be? Will it not let me? Oh, it won't let me. Could you tell how to use the code? Sir, you go to Apex, and when you go to checkout, it says enter coupon code. So here, let me see if I can get into my Apex account here. I gotta probably enter a code. Yep, it's gonna make me enter a code. So hold on. Let me find the code. Let me show you. Verietes? I don't know. Veridades? I don't know. I don't know the pronunciation. I don't know. I'm not sure. But let me make sure this doesn't have any of my information on it. Okay, it doesn't. So right here, when you go to buy the account, sir, it's going to ask you for a coupon code. Right there's the coupon code. And then you agree to all the stuff below and click next, and it will be free. All right, you sent me the email, so let me check. Just get you verified too right now. There's 311, guys. Okay, so I'm just going to call you Meredith, if that's okay. Meredith, what is the last... or what's the first letter of your email? And is this the email that you want to use for your login for, is this the email for your login for My Fund Futures, or is this the one you're going to be using? See, that's way easier for me to say. That's easy enough, right? All right, and then is that the email that you're going to be using? Or is that your login email? You're going to be using that one. All right, I'm going to go ahead and send that over to them now. They will send you an email with the credit. And that is with My Funded Futures. Let's see here. All right. Email sent. Appreciate you guys watching. If you haven't already, hit that like button for me. It does help the channel on your way out. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. And again, guys, got a lot of good deals going on. Code MM for every prop firm except for Apex. Apex is Myth. The futures desk is MMM. And Funded Next is a link, and that is in the coupon section of my video, or coupon section of my Discord. You could use it later, Alexa. Yeah, they use credits. So, but appreciate you guys watching, and I don't know that I'll be back tonight because I got some stuff to do this afternoon. Crystal's birthday is on Saturday, so got to get a gift, right? But if I am back tonight, it will be late. So, and Max says bye too. He gave you guys a nice woof. But anyways, we'll see you guys next time.